Today you're going to be learning the meaning of this kanji. Let's break it down to understand it. We use the keyword day to represent this component. It means Japan, counter for days, day, and sun. We use the keyword sound to represent this component. It means noise and sound. Put those two together and we have this kanji, represented by the keyword darkness. It means be blinded, darkness, disappear, grow dark, informal, and shade. Here's a story to help you remember it. During the day, a mysterious sound envelops everything, turning it into darkness. Picture this story in your mind in detail, focusing on the parts that represent the two components, day, sound, and the kanji, darkness. Can you imagine the day suddenly being consumed by an eerie sound? How does this sound feel as it brings darkness? Is it a low hum or a high-pitched noise? How does the world change as the day turns into darkness? The more you can bring emotion and vividness to this story in your mind, the more easily you will retain it. Great job! If you want to learn how to read this kanji in the context of frequently used words, or if you want to easily revise this and any other kanji you're learning using fun and easy techniques, download the Kanji Rocket app today.